let's talk about the R sound in English. In today's video, I'm going to focus on the R sound that is found in Standard American English. And I'm going to limit this video to just R sound at the beginning of words. What is our tongue doing when we make R? Okay, when we make this sound, the sides of my tongue here are touching the inside of my top teeth. The tip of my tongue is not touching anywhere in my mouth, and the body of my tongue kind of moves back a little bit in my mouth. The tip of my tongue can point a little bit down or a little bit up when I make this sound, but it does not touch anywhere in my mouth. Now, my lips, when I make an R sound, there is some rounding that happens to my mouth. Notice, here's my mouth resting, but when I make a sound, notice that the sides of my mouth go in a little and my lips come away from my teeth. Read. There is also a lot of tension in my face, my lips, and my tongue when I make this sound. So compare making the sound and then make a sound, and you can feel my lips, my tongue, my jaw, they're all very tense. Okay, let's do a practice together. I want us to start with this sound. So make this sound with me. And then I want you to go from that sound into an R. So with this sound, your tongue is doing nothing, your face is doing nothing, and then you're gonna move your tongue back, and you're gonna point your tongue up a little bit, and you're gonna round your lips. You'll know that you're getting close to this sound if you can make it without stopping. So practice just letting it go for a long time at the beginning of the word. For example, the word read. Say read. Okay, that's probably one of the most challenging sounds. And it's challenging to teach. Let me know if you have any questions and if you'd like more examples of this sound.